Good evening and warm regards to all assembled here today for this long-awaited event. The Department of Psychiatry, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal, is honored to be hosting the first National Midterm CME of ICAM 2020. We welcome everyone on deliberate on the theme Young Mind and Behavioral Addiction. Our CME will be held over 2 days, that is the 7th and 8th of November 2020, and I, Dr. Mona Nomikapam, will be your MC for this evening. The Indian Association of Child and Adolescent Mental Health was conceived in 1988 and was born in 1990, bearing fruit to the struggles and aspirations of our seniors in the field who work to make an independent branch of child and adolescent mental health a reality. The driving force behind it all is said to be the National Workshop on Child and Mental Health Needs and Priorities held at PGI Chandigarh on November 25th and 26th, 1988. We welcome Dr. Akoijam Zoy, the Manipur Medical Council Observer, to the August House. Sir will be the Manipur Medical Council Observer for this CME. Now I welcome our organizing chairperson, Professor R.K. Lenin Singh, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, the 7th of November 2020, I, on behalf of myself and organizing committee and ICAM, would like to extend a warm welcome to everyone present in today's function. I would like to welcome our light president of ICAM, Dr. Sabita Malhotra. Next, the president of ICAM, Dr. Kishore Gujar, and Secretary General of ICAM, Dr. Siti Srivastava, and also our organizing secretary, Dr. S. Gajendra Singh. And I would like to extend a warm welcome to everyone who has registered in this 2 days CME and all the respected speakers and chairpersons as well as moderators for your kind support and accepting our invitation. I would like to request all the participants, all the delegates to be present and actively participate in all the sessions in this coming 2 days program, and your presence and your active participation will make this 2 days CME a memorable one in the days to come. Again, I would like to welcome Dr. Akoijam Joy, who is a member of Manipur Medical Council, who will be present throughout these 2 days as an observer of Manipur Medical Council. At the last, I would like to again welcome each and everyone who are present here in different capacities, and also everyone who are supporting us behind the stage. Welcome you in this 2 days scientific program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the Secretary General ICAM, Dr. Sitish Srivastava, to kindly address the August gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the first National Midterm CME of ICAM. ICAM is a national body of child and adolescent mental health professionals from people all over India. It currently has 700 members and is constantly growing. Until recently, ICAM only had one major event, its National Biennial Conference, which was last held at Chandigarh in November 2019 and was a huge success. It was then decided to start another event, the Midterm CME, alternating with the conference. This first CME was to be held at Imphal but had to be shifted to a webinar format for obvious reasons. Apart from this, ICAM now also has its own Facebook and Twitter page, which was started in the last 1 year following the conference at Chandigarh. The aim is to spread awareness about major child psychiatric issues which are prevalent in our country and society. We used it to spread awareness about autism during the Autism Month. You are welcome to visit our pages. I also want to urge you to consider joining our organization. It's pretty straightforward. You have to go to the main website, download the form, and follow the instructions there. If you have any doubts, do get in touch with me. Our next major event after this midterm CME would be the national conference in 2021 at CIP Ranchi. I won't take much of your time. I just want to welcome you again and thank you for joining our webinar. Look forward to an exciting 2 days of learning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It is indeed a pleasure to introduce one and all to Dr. Kishore Vishwanath Gujar, the President ICAM. I invite you, sir, to kindly deliver the presidential speech.
Live President of ICAM, Dr. Savita Malhotra, Vice President of ICAM, Dr. Devashish Konar, Organizing Chairman, Dr. R.K. Lenin Singh, Secretary General of ICAM, Kshitij Srivastava, Dr. Kshitij Srivastava, and Organizing Secretary, Dr. S. Gojendra Singh, Dr. K.K. Mishra, Treasurer, Dr. Naresh Nebnani, Editor of the ICAM, Executive Committee Member of the ICAM, Organizing Committee Member from the INFAD, all delegates and postgraduate students. On behalf of ICAM, it is my pleasure to welcome you for this first National Midterm CME of ICAM on 7th or 8th November. At outset, I must thank you all for showing overwhelming response for this event. More than 900 mental health professionals registered for this event. CME was originally planned at INFAD in August 2020, but because of unprecedented event, COVID-19 pandemic, we are meeting now on this virtual platform. COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown to curtail infection spread affected everyone globally in all spheres of their life. Dynamics of individual, family and community changed enormously. Ongoing bombarding of communication related to pandemic triggered anxiety symptoms and externalizing behavior in the form of acting out in children and increased suicidal risk in our youth. As the schools are shut down, which resulted in lack of real peer interaction, on contrary, resulted in excessive indulgence in internet, social media, and smartphone. Pre-existing mental health disorder worsened, and there is a disruption of standard of care of mental health services. There is a distress mental health services. In addition, there is a security concerns of health professionals. Many children became victims of the domestic violence, which was sharply risen during the pandemic. In spite of these challenges and adversity, there is a positive side of it, the expansion of the role of the telepsychiatry in health professional and mental health professionals, which will definitely help us to reach to unreached child and adolescent population. And there is a flourishing of the resilience-oriented therapy approach. As a child and adolescent mental health professional, we need to assess the risk of the suicide in a young population and provide the strategy to address them. It's essential to acknowledge and validate legitimate fears in our health professional and need to mobilize courage and hope in them. As a society in general and mental health professional organization in particular, we need to adapt new normal. During this pandemic, knowingly or unknowingly, family and society encourage young mind to indulge into excessive internet use, which resulted in many challenges. Hence, we chose the theme Young Mind and Behavioral Addiction for this event. These 2 days dedicated to cover wide spectrum of behavioral addiction. CME comprised of 7 deliberations by distinguished faculties, panel discussion and PG quiz. I commend you having exciting and memorable event filled with enlightening deliberation and active participation. We plan to come out with position statement on behavioral addiction from this event from ICAM. I would like to express my appreciation to organizing team from the Imphal Psychiatrist Group for making this event extraordinary virtual CME possibility in this pandemic situation. I congratulate you for your commitment and active participation with record number of registration. Thank you for your kind attention.
Thank you, sir. I take great privilege in introducing you all to Dr. Savita Malhotra, the lady behind it all. Ma'am, we welcome you. We request you to kindly share a few words.
Professor Kishore Gujar, esteemed President of ICAM, Dr. Rajkumar Lenin Singh, the organizing chair for the CME, other members on the dais, participants of the CME, my fellow colleagues and friends. It's a matter of great pleasure and pride for ICAM that it has achieved another milestone in its history. This is the first ever midterm national CME being organized by Dr. Rajkumar Lenin Singh in one of the far eastern states of India. Dr. Kishore Gujar, Dr. Kshitij Srivastav, other members of EC, they all deserve congratulations and applause. The need for continuing medical education in child psychiatry is most pressing due to lack of training resources in India. I'm sure this would be a regular feature now, providing much needed education in childhood midterm national CME being organized by Dr. Rajkumar Lenin Singh in one of the far eastern states of India. Dr. Kishore Gujar, Dr. Kshitij Srivastav, other members of EC, they all deserve congratulations and applause. The need for continuing medical education in child psychiatry providing much
all the psychiatrists, all the psychologists, medical fraternity of Manipur Imphal. At the outset, I'd like to thank Life President Dr. Savita Malhotra, President Kishore Gujar, Vice President Dr. Konwar, then Secretary General Chichi Srivastav, KK Mishra, all the executive members of ICAM for national event to Department Secretary in Imphal. I would like to thank all the speakers and chairpersons for consenting for this scientific event in spite of their busy schedule. All the participants, I'm really thankful to you for, I hope you will be participating actively for next 2-3 days. Last but not the least, I like to thank and with sincere gratitude to Professor Lenin Singh, Organizing Chairman ICAM 2020 for his guidance, supervision and support for this entire scientific program. Long live Indian Association of Child and Adolescent Mental Health, ICAM.
We have come to the most important part of the inaugural function. I invite all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly lit the inaugural lamp and invoke the blessings of the Lord for the success of our CME. Thank you.
Kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah shatru buddhi vinashaya deepajyotir namostute deepajyotir namostute shubham kurutvam kalyanam आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं